I was approached by Max to do some welding courses here. There was available space that you can see right behind me. He said, why don't we just launch phase here and see where it goes. Really, it surprised all of us how popular it got real quick. Everywhere you go, there's a welder's been there or made it possible. The need is now, and the demand is getting higher and higher. Community colleges, usually a year and a half. Here, we can do it in 6 months. We've had a lot of people calling in looking for welders. We just had another student. We paired him up with a mining company. He was hired on the spot, walking onto the job at $50,000 a year, and he's only 17 years old.